France has lifted mandatory mask wearing outdoors and is halting an 8-month nightly coronavirus curfew. Many are excited about the new policy, but others are skeptical. Here is correspondent Ross Cullen with a report.
From the end of August last year, you have had to wear a face mask when you are outside in public in France, or risk a $160 fine for non-compliance. The government had been discussing potentially relaxing that obligation at the end of June, but on the 16th of June, the Prime Minister made a surprising announcement saying that from Thursday, from the 17th of June, you would no longer need to wear a face mask if you are outside in public in France. And so it means from the first time since last summer, I can take off this nose and mouth covering and report from outside in France without having to wear a face mask. That obligation to wear one does still remain in place if you are going indoors in public. So if you are in a shop, in a bank, at the cinema or in a theatre, you do still need to wear a face mask. And if you are using public transport, of course, buses, trains and trams are all in closed public spaces, and so you do still need to wear a face mask. The government also said it would be ending the national curfew earlier than anticipated. It did say it would be ending the 11 p.m. to 6 a.m. nightly shutdown on the 30th of June, announcing that the end of the curfew is 10 days earlier. Now it's coming to an end on the 20th of June. But it did say, although the health situation is improving quicker than anticipated, it is paying close attention to the situation regarding the Delta variant. We're seeing about 3% of daily cases in France attributed to that particular mutation of the coronavirus. But the French Health Ministry saying, although it is watching the situation with the Delta variant here in France, it's also paying close attention to the situation concerning the Delta variant in the UK, because it says the UK is on an ascending trajectory. It's seeing more daily cases than France. Its incidence rate is higher than France. And so although the French Health Ministry is paying attention, of course, to the situation here in France, it is also watching how the situation develops in the United Kingdom.